Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new around here, hi, I'm Janine from Happy Stylish Fit, where I help mamas like you create a happy, stylish, and fit lifestyle for you and your families through all sorts of tips, tricks, recipes, DIYs, and more. For today's video, I am going to share the December Simply Earth unboxing subscription box, and I'm going to share with you the 5 or 6 DIY essential oil recipes that come in the box. So stay tuned till the end. I'm going to make all of those recipes with you so you can make them on your own, or better yet, you can sign up for the December Simply Earth subscription box, and I have an awesome coupon code for you at the end. So without further ado, let's hop right into the unboxing. So not only did I get the December Simply Earth box, but I couldn't help myself. I had to order some extra things. So I'll quickly show those off to you guys. One thing I'm really excited for is the Essential Oils for Beginners little book. So this is available through their website for purchase for the paperback copy, which I just wanted to have at my Essential Oils little station, but you can access it for free on their website. So no purchase required. They give so many great tips and tricks and information for free on their website. So make sure you go and check that out. It has so much great information on every single oil safety, safety around pregnancy, children, uses, different recipes, so many great things. So I'm really excited for that. Then I am going to be sharing some skincare recipes with you in a few months. So I got some oils. I got some fractionated coconut oil and jojoba oil. So that is going to be awesome. Here, we'll start stacking stuff over here. Then I had to get a few extra oils because I'm also not only going to be doing skincare recipes for you guys, but coming up in just a couple weeks, I will share some holiday diffuser recipes for you. So to help out with those things, we have the Clear Skin Essential Oil, Tea Tree, which is such a staple everyone should have. We also have Nutmeg, which I'm excited for. Those holiday diffuser recipes, they're just going to be so amazing. I'm going to have so much fun playing with those to create it for you. Again, some ginger for the same reason. And lavender, which I'm also going to start diffusing some lavender with cedarwood in Logan's nursery to help him sleep, and I eventually want to pick up some chamomile and add to that little diffuser blend just to help with sleep throughout the night. So there is that stuff, but now what you really want to see is the December Simply Earth box. As you can see, it is 13% of their profits go towards fighting human trafficking, which I think is really great. I love when companies give back. So just wanted to quickly mention that. But now we will hop into the box. If I can open it. Alright. So we're going to start out with the recipes, and then we will look at what's actually inside. Ooh, Breathe Easy bath salts. So this is going to use a Breathe Easy blend with some oil. This is going to be so great for if you're feeling stuffed up over the winter or whenever. You just soak in a nice bath and really let those essential oils help clear up your lungs and all that good stuff. Okay, what else do we have? Ooh, Tension Relief Bath Bomb. So that is also going to be very nice. I know from all the painting I've been doing, if you've been following around on my stories, you'll know I've been doing way too much painting and I am sore, so I'm definitely going to use this. Congestion Support Roll-On. So again, this is so perfect. I love how the recipes are just tailor-made for the specific month, because we all know that it's cold and flu season and these things are really going to help. Ooh, Vanilla Mint Lip Scrub. That sounds really good. I'm excited to do that. Ooh, Cold Support Chest Rub. That's going to be nice as well. Oh, these are so perfect. Trim the Tree diffuser blend. Oh, so nice little diffuser blend that's going to tie into this holidays. Whoops, I threw the other one. Oops. Oh, I got a duplicate. So do I have all of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, they accidentally sent me a duplicate. So we'll toss that one because we don't need it. So that is the different recipes we are going to make at the end. And let's see the supplies we have to make all those things. So for the oils, with all of that congestion relief, we have the Breathe Easy oil. So one thing I also love about Simply Earth is they have a child recommendation right on their label, which makes it super easy. You don't have to second guess. And this is recommended for children 10 and up. So you don't want to use it on your little babes. But here, I gotta give it a smell. That smells awesome. Matt has some serious breathing issues with asthma and stuff like that, especially with the housework we've been doing. And we're going to diffuse this tonight in the bedroom. I'm really excited for that. All right, what else do we have? Patchouli. So that's going to be another great one for holiday diffuser recipes. That's actually a really nice one. I can be very hit or miss with patchouli. To be honest, I'm not sure how to say it properly. But, I like that one. All right, what else do we have? Peppermint. I have a few peppermints, but we just go through it, especially with different diffuser blends I make Matt for his breathing. And this one is recommended for children 2 and older. So again, you don't want to be using peppermint on your small little babes. I just always love the smell of peppermint. I'm really excited for that lip scrub. And last but not least, we have clove. And I gotta give this one a smell as well. It says the aroma is spicy and floral. I just think it's gonna be perfect for those holiday diffuser blends. I really like that one. Mix that with some orange. Oh, that's gonna be so good. Then the little supplies they've included for us, because Simply Earth makes it super easy to make all of their different DIYs. We have a little container, so I'm pretty sure that is going to be for our lip scrub. So I like that they're including the containers. And then, this must be for the bath bomb. So we have this little spacey little container. It makes me think of like a UFO ship. But I'm assuming that's going to be for making that bath bomb, which I'm super excited for. What else do we have? Okay, some goat milk powder. So not totally sure what that is for. Maybe it's for the bath bomb. I honestly have no idea, but we're gonna find out at the end. And then citric acid. This is probably for the bath bomb. But again, it's really nice. They give us all of the different goodies we need to make those DIYs. So before we hop into craft time making those together, I will share with you a little bit more details about the Simply Earth subscription box. So you can sign up for either monthly or quarterly. It is $39 a month US. And if you use my code HSFFree, I will leave it somewhere down below for you. You are going to receive a big bonus box, which this is only part of what you're going to receive with the big bonus box. I received mine a few months ago. I've used tons of it, but you get all sorts of bottles, containers, the different oils that you're going to need to make these DIY recipes. They set you up for months of this subscription box. You're going to get all of that totally free with the code HSFFree. Plus, you are going to get a $20 gift card that you can apply towards any future purchases through their store. So you can do like me, get some extra little oils for creating roll-ons, which I love. You could purchase some extra roll-on bottles if you wanted, but again, you get tons, or any extra oils. So I will leave the link down below. Again, that coupon code is HSFFree. And that is it for the December subscription box. But now let's get into the fun stuff and making all of these DIYs. So before we hop right into the DIYs, I do want to mention that there's a few other household ingredients that you are going to need if you're wanting to do all of these. So most of these items are used in the bath bomb. So if you're wanting to do all of the DIYs, these are the extra ingredients you're going to need. Vanilla extract, cornstarch, brown sugar, granulated sugar. I don't have that, I subbed brown sugar. Epsom salt, which is the only thing I can imagine you might needing to go out and buy, baking soda, and a spray bottle of water. So I love this idea of this next DIY, and it's super easy to make. So it's just a congestion support roll-on, helps clear out the nasal passages, helps you breathe better, and all you have to do is pop the essential oils into your roller bottle, fill it to the top with almond oil, mix it up, and bam, you are good to go. Okay, so this next DIY for the tension relief bath bomb, which sounds amazing, has tons of ingredients, but don't be intimidated. It's actually super easy to make. It goes along the same principles as baking, but it's not like that hard, because I know some people have problems with baking, and I don't think you'll have problems with this. Although I did run into like one little snag, but that's actually super easy to deal with. So anyway, how it's like baking is first we need to measure out all of our dry ingredients and then mix those all together. Do a little mixing, mix, 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 mix some more. Then we move on to the wet ingredients. So you just pop all those wet ingredients together. It's basically adding a bunch of essential oils to, I think it's coconut oil, I believe. You mix it together. I have trouble with, I think it's the patchouli. It seems thick for me when I'm pouring it out. But anyway, you mix those wet ingredients all together, and then you're going to mix the wet in with the dry. And so that's kind of the procedure that's like baking. And so then we're just gonna stir and stir and stir, 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 and keep on stirring more until that's nice and combined. Then we move on to a fancy little water spray bottle. And basically our goal is to get this the consistency of like wet sand. So you're just gonna slowly keep spraying that water in, keep mixing it up. You're probably gonna wanna use a better spoon than I did, and then test out with your hands like I did. And so it'll kind of like hold in a clump in your hand. Once it does that, you're going to put it into your bath bomb mold. Now, this is where I have the snag, which you will see in a bit, but don't pack it in as much as I do here. I have a feeling I packed it in too much, but essentially you're gonna pack it all together in each of the sides of the mold, which comes in the box. And then once they're all nice and full, we are going to slap those babies together and just like, I don't know. Again, it didn't super work out for me, but like I feel like you need to really squish them together to have it like mold together, and you let it sit for 5 minutes. Then you are supposed to come back and it's supposed to pop out of the mold. I tried a bunch of different ways. It did not work for me. So I said, it doesn't need to be perfect. Who cares? I'll just roll the ball with my hand. So it doesn't look pretty and beautiful, but it works just the same in the bath. So that's the one little snag I had. That really doesn't matter. But again, I've heard of people doing this with the mold, so perhaps you just need to pack it in lighter. I was like really packing it in, and then I tried it again, like not as packed, still had difficulty. But anyway, feel like I'm rambling. But yeah, try the mold. If it doesn't work, just do what I did and roll an ice ball with your hands, because it works just as good in my opinion. Okay, vanilla mint lip scrub. So I think this one would be like great for Christmas gifts, and it's just super easy to make. Barely takes any ingredients. The only extra thing you need is the sugar, and so you just mix all that together. It said like an 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla, so I just splashed it in because who can measure an 1/8 of a teaspoon? But anyway, you just mix it together, mix, and then pour it into your nice little container that is included in the December Simply Unearthed box. And then you smack a lid on it, and then smack a sticker on it, and you are good to go. Okay, again, I think this is like so perfect for Christmas gifts. Like, who wouldn't love nice little bath salts? As I said in the blog post, you could just like get some cute little slippers to go with it and like tie it all together with a ribbon, and it's awesome. And I think any girl would just love it. So anyway, to make it, it is really easy, very similar to the vanilla mint scrub. I think it might even have less ingredients. So all you have to do is mix all of it together, and like we've been doing, we just mix, and then pour it into the jar. So the jar is not included in the box, so you'll have to find a jar elsewhere. I got mine from the dollar store. All right, cold support chest rub. So this is basically like your DIY Vicks Vapor Rub. And again, super easy to make. I feel like I keep saying that, but it's the truth. And that's one thing that I love about Simply Earth is it teaches you how to use the essential oils, so you like know what you're doing. But anyway, you just mix all those ingredients together, pour them on into a container, get the lids on them, and then smack a sticker on. Okay, thank you guys so much for tuning in. That is it for our 5 simple holiday Simply Earth essential oil recipes with the unboxing. That is quite the mouthful. Appreciate you watching it all. I hope you got a sneak peek into some fun DIYs you can make. What I love about the box so much and just creating these fun things every month. I could honestly go on and on why I love this subscription box so much. You've heard me talk about it time and time again, so I will just drop this one last time. If you do want to sign up, make sure you're using the code HSFFREE, and with that you are going to get the free big bonus box plus a $20 gift card. So many free goodies that it is just amazing in my opinion. So that is it for the Simply Earthness. If you aren't already, please give me a follow on social media at Happy Stylish Fit. I tend to be on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest the most. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys later.